Hawaii volcano eruption. Pictures reveal the horrifying beauty of Kilauea's eruption. The eruption of the Kilauea volcano is Hawaii's most catastrophic in years, but, as these pictures reveal, there is a horrifying beauty to nature in the raw. The extraordinary images show Kilauea's unfolding disaster since it began erupting on May 3. Each photograph in the gallery captures the volcano's beauty, power, and destructive force as it wreaks havoc across the corner of Hawaii. It has been 28 days since the massive eruption of Kilauea sent lava gushing from cracks, spreading destruction through communities on Hawaii's Big Island. On the Big Island, conditions have worsened. Each day brings some new volcanic phenomenon to the island, including laze, blue flames, fog, ash clouds, splatter bombs, lava fountains, and more than 2,000 earthquakes.